suck start your shotgun. You've never heard that one before, Chere?
My bobblehead.
I've found like 3 of them already.
And there's 3 of your mom on every street corner, but you don't hear me talking about it.
Fuck off.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
You want a lightning shotgun as an apology?
No.
Why not?
Not unless it does a stupid amount of damage.
No, it's completely shite.
Okay, then yeah, I don't fucking want it.
Alright, do we want to run back the way we came?
Yeah. That's the last mission, isn't it? Gotta turn all of it in.
360! $360! Oh god. So you know your sensitivity's pinpoint.
I think mine's actually a little too low. Seems like every game I find a sweet spot to play on.
Yeah.
I don't know if I found it with this one yet, because I keep having to pick my wrist up. Good.
Time for a nice, relaxing drive. Drive on, brother.
I let you start pushing me, now I can't stop. Can't stop it now. What's the E brake? There we go, fuck you.
Just gonna keep holding W. Oh god! Yes! Victory is mine!
I mean, not really. If I wanted to, I could have sat there all day.
Yeah, I
neither
know.
of us would have won.
We would both lose in that case, because we'd be sitting there all day instead of shooting stuff.
Chere would be the real loser.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Ah, I win!
Oh, god, there's a fucking skags.
Why can't I move?
Your eye is centered on a fucking rail.
Oh, I am, aren't I? I was like moving every now and then, and then I'd stop. Great, my car's about to fall on my head. Thanks.
You know what else is about to fall on your head?
Nice.
Me! Okay. All good. Oh god!
Haven't you ate your food?
I win.
Oh no, they're stuck!
Alright, I'm gonna let everyone get over here this time before I click the mission.
Yee. Anything good?
Nope. Oh shit. Alright, we ready to click the bounty board first?
Oh yeah, bounty board.
Nothing. A combat rifle that's fire but kind of shy. A sniper that's shy. A grenade mod that's shy. Congratulations, we got all shitty stuff. Let's go sell it. Like, I didn't get a single good thing out of that. You want to fire a machine gun? Okay.
something new. Visit all our convenient locations.
Remember, you can always count on Southern for the best guns around.
Because he's a filthy cheater. Hooray!
What can I do for you?
Wait for Chere.
Shooting a skill point.
But check me out. Oh, come on, get down.
What are we doing now?
Waiting for Southern to finish typing so he can click this thing.
Check me out, I'm
Ah.
dancing. I'm dancing.
It's so funny, you kind of like wiggle your mouse a little bit when you're talking, like Southern and I do when we used to play Minecraft. We'd like
Oh, we
wiggle
don't
it.
even need to be here. We're supposed to just be leaving the area. I just walked over here to check the thing.
Oh,
I don't know why. Right after I said let's wait on Chere, I didn't realize that and just never said anything. Let me make sure you can respec
Got what
here.
you need, now scram.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that guy's name isn't Ernest.
Do you station reset?
oh
Or
yeah.
just reset.
Funny.
It usually costs credits, I think.
We have to talk
Cost
to
the money.
Lab Chat. Why can't I talk to Lab Chat?
We don't need to talk to Cloud Trap.
It says
There's
talk
probably a
to
somewhere
different
else.
one.
It's in a different area.
Oh,
Do you know what your compass is? Your compass?
the compass? Do you know what your English is, my dude?
No, I've never learned it. I know Latin. I don't know English.
Slow. Drive on.
Ow! You checked your compass lately? You pompous asshole.
You have me confused with a second lieutenant? They're the idiots that can't read their fucking compasses. You know, allegedly. Oh, let's run over this
They're all
badass
busy.
skag! Woo! I can drive real good, y'all.
The vault is
Oh.
real, eh? Everyone is
I want to listen to
talking
this before
about
we drive through here.
This is the biggest thing that's happened here in a long time. Think of
We're
the
gonna hit a cut.
visitors
We're
we
gonna hit a
got.
loading screen if we drive farther.
Listen, if you find it, what's inside could be worth a fortune.
Is that all you have to say? Okay. I don't know why your face doesn't stop on my screen. Oh, there's a door to go through. Never mind. I'm only slightly dumb.
Anything good here? Or gun store?
No. Nope. There's nothing.
Downloading and analyzing your DNA record. Human status confirmed. Access to the doll
Human
headband is
status
granted.
confirmed.
Please stand by while I activate the gate for you.
Guys, we didn't have to do a captcha.
Turn on subtitles.
Yes! You are now free to enter the doll headland. Please enjoy your relaxing stay. Interesting fact, based on your current stress patterns, I calculate a 94.3% chance that you will encounter an unfortunate death experience.
You will too. Fuck. Didn't work.
Doll
Now, I've
head.
never actually finished one.
Neither have I. I've never finished.
I know how. I know kind of how it ends. I know it's in the vault, sadly, but that's it.
pretty sure I know what it is, but I don't want to spoil it for Chere, so.
From reading the wiki of the second one, I just know there's more than one vault.
Yeah.
Drive on, drive on.
Well, if we get better vehicles in this game, or if that's just in 2, because you get different vehicles in 2. Oh, cool, we get more, SDUs.
Oh,
So we can get
sweet.
more ammo.
Just can't carry enough bullets for your favorite gun? Sounds like you need a storage deck upgrade. Supplies limited.
Oh, I can't afford all of them, fuck.
Hang on a minute. Let me try something. Yeah, I gotta tab out for a second.
Okay. Eating again. I think this dude shits in his sink. Sorry.
If I could, I would. I mean, I can. You don't need all of them, just the ones you really need.
Yeah, I didn't
Right?
think about that because I just bought all of them last time because I had enough money for it.
I would just buy the ones you need.
Yeah. I'll get the rest later. I'm not worried about it.
First thing,
Sell this.
you won't regret it.
And these. We sell all that real quick. Get a little bit extra money. Tooth.
Oh.
Just dropped it all behind you. It's all useless.
Oh, thanks. Oh, there's a pretty sweet class mod. I don't know if it's better than Chere has.
Oh, I gotta tap it out again. I'm sorry, I'm terrible.
Yeah, we know.
Oh, I guess I should have mentioned. I think max level is 50, so basically you have 50 points or so that you can spend. Skill points that you can spend, I think.
Okay.
So keep that in mind when you're picking your skill trees and stuff. Like which ones you want to take out of the skill tree. Because you can't fill out 2 completely skill trees. You can pick like 4 out of 2 skill trees. You can do a whole skill tree of just 1. I'm kind of pick and choose out of 2 skill trees.
Well, you'll get 10, right? 10 of the things to max out.
You want to take quests
Yeah,
from this guy?
basically.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Needs a real doctor. when
Oh,
you
did-
got my
Wait a minute.
They're scary needles.
I was gonna say there's a pretty good class mod in here. I don't know if better than the one Chere has.
Oh wait, did they Oh, there's class mods for everyone in here. Except me.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's only Berserker and then one for Siren.
Here, I'll buy
I can't
mine.
afford it, so
Which one would you like, or would you like both of them? You'd have to look in your skills and see what skills you like better, I guess.
I think we're looking at different
Spark
things.
and Diva, plus 30% Ignite.
all I see is Firefly on the list.
hmm Yeah, the rest
Oh,
are all
never mind, the rest are
Berserkers.
Berserk. Fuck you, Tooth.
Step right up. This
Sorry.
is available on all weapons and
Probably is better than what I have. I just have 4.
Here you go. It's on the ground behind you.
Ah, thank you.
Come here to me. I'll break your neck. Oh wait, you don't have one. Never mind.
Can't break what you can't find.
My head is just attached directly to my traps.
I need to go get a beverage.
Ooh, more fire.
Oh my god, the steering in this makes no fucking sense. Thank you.
Yes, it does make sense. Take it back.
It makes no sense.
Plenty of sense.
No, it doesn't, because I can't turn the wheels a different direction to back up.
No, you just, it's your mouse. You just keep looking the same direction, you'll back up the right way.
Yeah, look direction you want to go, and you'll back up and turn that way.
Okay, so if I look behind me, right, and I want to go this way, I'd curve towards the building, and then it turns me the other direction.
Well, just look at your front tires. You can see which way you're going.
Yeah, it doesn't work that way. Look behind you, and then aim like one way or the other.
Okay, so you don't have to look behind you. You can look like, say you just look to your left, and then you can turn that way. Look to your right, and you can turn that way. You do it that way. And now look to the other way, you turn the other direction when you back
Yeah,
up.
no, it flips it around for me.
It's like reverse, kind of like if you're looking forward and you're reversing in real life.
Yeah, but it doesn't match the direction of the tires, so it's like really counterintuitive to me.
Well, I know, because the tires don't actually change until you start going. You just know.
Hey, you know, Luck is an old buddy of
The
mine.
tires,
And by old
you'll
buddy,
see when you watch the video.
An asshole that ruined my mom's girl.
They change after you press S to fucking start backing up.
Yeah, I get that.
Long enough so I can kill him at a later occasion.
They do go the way that you're turning. They go the right way.
They really don't. I look there,
They do.
so I should back up towards the right, because I'm looking right, and then it flips it around and I go left.
Well, just don't look where you want to back up. Just
Yeah, I know. It's like I said, it's
It
counterintuitive.
Makes,
does
no, it
not
makes
make
sense, because that's
fucking
which way
sense.
you're steering. Whichever way that your mouse is pointing is which way you're steering. Whichever way you're facing is which way you're going to face the front of the vehicle.
Yeah, but it's backwards if I'm backing up.
No, it's not. It's
shouldn't-
not.
No, that's not how backing up
Think of your
works.
mouse as like a fucking joystick, and you're turning with your mouse. And it makes perfect sense. It's
Yeah,
just
if
the
you're
way
as
you're
long as you're
thinking of
going
it is wrong.
forward, it would make sense.
It
but
works in backwards too. I
No,
never
it
have any issues.
doesn't. It just works like it's supposed to. Jesus Christ.
It works perfect.
It does not. Watch
Your
the fucking
brain's
video. It's
really
retarded.
tiny.
Look.
I'm doing the same thing. I know how to back up. It
I
makes
turn the
perfect
mouse to the
sense.
right,
Start.
so I should back up to the right.
No.
If I'm aiming my tires towards like the 2 o'clock position, I should back up towards like the 4:30 to 5 o'clock position. But no, it flips it around and takes me towards 8 o'clock.
The way the driving is in this game, it makes fucking perfect sense. It's not difficult to understand.
try another car. I didn't.
Yes. He almost killed me. I hope we get corrosive weapons soon, so Chere can destroy all the armored enemies.
I'm sure we'll find some.
I want to go into space and raid it. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Oh god, aim assist is still on. Forgot. I just kinda... Why is it so bad? Okay, so it's nice if they're standing completely still. As soon as they start moving, you want to shoot yourself right in the face. Is the experience I'm having.
Oh my god. What am I stuck on? Oh.
You're typing, are you? How's that missing? Jesus.
Anyone need help?
Who's a wimp using a rocket launcher?
Wow, the one that you told me to go use?
Said it was good, I didn't say you
dickbag.
should use it. Only pussies use rocket launcher.
That sounds fun.
When do you passively heal? I don't remember that being a thing.
Might be your shield,
Oh, could be, yeah.
or an ability that you have.
So you knock the car all the way out. Fuck.
Sure, you're coming with me! Oh. Oh, I'm getting out so we get all the XP.
Yeah, same. Oh, fuck.
No, get away from us!
What do you think?
Using an SMG, you just have to aim at their chest and just light them up, and you will annihilate everything. You don't need to aim at their head with an SMG.
Okay.
Just aim center mass and just open up. Apparently, Tooth does block bullets.
What I've been saving for you!
Oh, it's so funny to hear him scream.
Why do I suck so bad?
Surrounded.
I can't wait to get my good revolvers.
You guys okay?
Yeah, I
No,
just
no.
got surrounded.
Oh, so we gotta go around. This isn't where we're supposed to be yet. If you look at the map, we gotta go around this big cliff. You mind if I go grab a beverage real quick?
Yeah, go for it.
Let's knock his car over.
I was just thinking about that. I keep fixing it, hang on.
There's a box there. Now we're stuck.
Fuck. Mistakes were made.
That box is there.
I hear you giggling, you asshole.
I'm just gonna leave the crime scene.
So this girl I used to work with was happened to be on the job site today, and for some reason felt the need to tell me that she was leaving her boyfriend because she could only use 2 fingers to like give him a hand job. I was like, what the fuck? Like, just go away. I just turned my music up really loud and started cutting. I was like, I didn't know what else to do.
That's...
I
2
was like,
fingers.
is this some like hint? Is this some hint that you're like, hey, I wanna? Was it some kind of like off-world like flirt or something, or she just weird? What would you take?
I don't know, maybe she was hoping you didn't have a micro penis.
Maybe she was like, maybe she was hoping I'd be like, well, maybe you should let me. Hang on one second. Get out.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go grab another car.
Y'all heard nothing?
What happened?
Exactly.
I'll just have to rewatch the video.
Turned up really loud.
Did y'all actually hear anything?
I heard you
I
say
understand.
something, but I wasn't paying attention.
Chere, did you hear what I said?
No.
Get out, you fat bitch. To a obese cat.
Oh god.
This is where the cars are?
Yeah, just don't go up those rocks, cause. Yeah. The southern, I'm just gonna respawn the purple car, and then you'll be able to flip yours over and drive away, hopefully.
Didn't even look at the cars yet.
Oh no.
Hang on 1 second, too. Don't do it yet.
Let's get you rolling.
Can I do it now?